Small Mexican place here in South Philly, guys, that you have to check out. Hey guys, Nicky Lance back here. This is Carlos, is the owner and chef of Chingon.
El Chingon.
El Chingon.
El Chingon.
So tell us about your restaurant. What do you serve here?
So we specialize in obviously Mexican food. Our thing is, cook Mexican food from what I remember when I, growing up.
What's this called?
Chilaquiles.
And that's like a breakfast in Mexico?
Yeah.
How'd you like to have that for breakfast? Wow. What's your favorite here? What's your favorite food?
The Cemitas.
The Cemitas?
Yeah,
How do you have the chicken or the meat or?
The chicken. I like the chicken one.
Cemitas, they were pretty good.
Yeah.
That's your favorite?
I would say yes.
Basically, the bread is a semita, and then you can use stuffing with whatever you want.
So what is it like? I saw it online. It's like a sesame-seed
It's a sesame-seed
roll.
roll.
Basically.
Yeah. So put avocado, onions, and papalo. And then you can put either chicken or beef milanese. You stack them up with shredded quesillo. Quesillo is some sort of like a mozzarella, a little more tough. Okay. But it has a lot of texture, and we shred it like super thin like hair. And then we stack them up like that, and then we cover it.
This is called the what?
Aguachile. Aguachile. It's kind of like a version of ceviche. A ceviche, you can do ceviche with this kind of shrimp, but you have to marinate it in citrus overnight. In Mexico, we call it arrachera. And what it gives it the darker color, we actually marinate the steak with an adobo from Yucatan.
This here.
That's the semita clásica, man.
This is the semita. How amazing does that look? This is all cheese, and there's three and cutlets on here with avocado and papalo. That's amazing, man.
Chingon, right?
Chingon. That's it. This is semita is amazing. Amazing. That was so good. Tacos arrachera. I am getting an education today. This stuff is chingon. Eh?
You say Italian.
Can I say it with an accent?
Yeah.
Italian accent? This is chingon.
Take the avocado. Right. Take a little bit of the onions. Cucumbers. Shrimp on top. Manja.
I can do that. And this is on a hard
Corn tostadas.
Yeah. Delicious. I would never eat this. I would never order something like this. If when you were explaining it to me, I was like, okay, I'm gonna try it, but it wouldn't be anything that I would typically order. Like the sandwich, the semitas, me. This, 100% me. This is not me, but it is good. I'm a big fan of semitas now, and I will be ordering here myself now that I know what a semita is. Very authentic. You can taste it. You can taste how real it is and how much they put into it. It's real stuff. It's not bagged canned stuff. As far as the ingredients, it's all you guys seen them back there. They were making and chopping things and cooking things and baking the semitas. And the best way I could describe a semita, the roll is like it's like a Kaiser roll, but it's a little harder, holds up a little bit more, and it has lots of sesame seeds on it. Delicious, delicious, delicious. You will love this place.